If your air ducts are crawling with pests like insects or rodents, you need to act fast to stop them from taking over your whole house. So, first off, call pest control right away because these little guys don't just bug you, they can mess up your air system and spread germs. While you wait for the pros, try to seal any obvious entry points around your vents and ducts using weather stripping or caulk. Keep an eye out for holes or gaps near the furnace, attic, or basement where pests love to sneak in. Also, make sure to clean your ducts regularly or schedule professional duct cleaning to remove any nests or debris. Avoid leaving food crumbs or garbage near vents because that's like an open invitation for bugs and mice. Using mesh screens on vents can block pests from getting inside without messing with airflow. If you spot droppings or chew marks, don't ignore them. Those are signs pests are already hanging out. Lastly, consider installing a dehumidifier since damp air attracts bugs and rodents who want cozy spots. One of the biggest problems with pest-infested air ducts is ignoring early signs like strange noises or bad smells, which lets the problem get way worse. Fixing this means checking your ducts regularly and calling in pros at the first sign. Another common issue is poor sealing around ductwork, which gives pests easy access. You can fix this by sealing gaps with proper materials and inspecting them often. The third mistake is skipping routine duct cleaning, so debris and nests build up and cause serious damage. Staying on top of cleaning keeps pests away and your air quality better. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who know exactly how to handle pest problems and air duct repairs. It also gives contractors a solid way to connect with people needing their services, making it easier to get work they can trust.